Hi everyone, this is Cindy, Cricut the Heart, and I'm here to share a really beautiful flipbook that I got from Keoshia. I need to have her name in front of me so I don't mispronounce it. So, but she made this cute flipbook. Everything's been kind of looked through, so things are a little bit, not in the same order as when I got them. But it came with this cute altered clips here. And then this envelope just filled with some washi and tickets and all kinds of really fun ephemera that I could use in other projects. So when I open the project, on this side is a cute note, and I think I don't know if I remember telling her. I'm gonna get her name, Keoshia. I think it is. She is a single mom like me, and she loves to read, which I do as well. I don't think I mentioned that I am a librarian, actually. So some of the parts are really cute that she included because it kind of matches who I am. So on this side are some fun tags. And what I really love about doing these flipbooks is seeing the different styles, because the style that I made her is completely different than what she made me. So here are some cute Post-it notes, and then here's an envelope, looks like she made, with just the cutest paper clips in there. And then it opens up, let's see, like so. And you've got a shaker here, and then this part opens up like so. And then she has these cute cards. Just love, love, love that, because that just fits, what I do. And then cute just because. And then here is a bunch of tags and butterflies and just wonderful things that can be used on other projects, which I'll be definitely using. I'm going to kind of put it together here. And then on the back, this one fell out because I was looking at it. Handmade by Keoshia. Her YouTube and Instagram is Busydoing Crafts, so make sure you visit her. And she's got these cute clips here. So thank you very much for watching. And I hope that if you guys get a chance to do a flipbook swap, that you do it, because it's really fun to meet other people and to get something fun in the mail and just to see a different style. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Cricut the Heart.